bij ons in de studio van Q-Music. Hier is Train! Hi! Hey guys!
Good looking guy.
You look great, guys. Welcome. How are you?
Good.
Good. I love your big picture of Bruno Mars there.
Yeah, he's really big, right?
He's real good. I like it.
You like it? Okay. Hey, how are you today? Did you have a nice day today?
We're a little tired, but it's great to be here. You guys are cool.
Yeah.
We've been in the UK and...
You just met us yet.
Well, we just came from Glasgow and, you know, we love being there, but the weather is a little dreary, and coming here it was warmer and everybody seemed a little happier, so we're really happy to be here. We're just sad that we have to leave right away after we play.
Okay. Hey, is this your first time in Belgium?
It's our second.
Okay.
We've never done a live like a show, and it's time to do a concert in Belgium, so we're going to come back in the fall.
In the fall, okay. So this is really your first
autumn
concert in autumn. Okay.
Yeah.
This is your first concert in Belgium. We have really something special today. Okay, cool. That's great. You're playing in the Cube. It's a very intimate venue. It's like here in our studios. It's for a very small amount of people.
Yeah.
Do you like playing for a small amount of people?
Yeah, it's really, these types of things are really cool. You know, you get to really like connect with each individual person, and it's very intimate. In fact, sometimes this is more like you get a little more nervous doing a small thing like this than a big show.
Of course, because people are very close to you, right?
You can smell them sometimes.
Is that a good thing?
Well, they can also smell us.
Yeah, okay.
Well, if you want, I can spray some deodorant during the show, just in case.
Yeah, you never know. Maybe what it's good for. Okay. Hey, are you ready for the show?
Yes.
Yes, you're ready. Okay. Have you decided on what songs to play?
We were just talking about that. I think we might start with Drive By.
Drive By?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good idea.
I think our listeners will
On the
like
other side
that.
of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you.
Hey.
I guess that's deja vu, but you know what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Hey, have a great show in the Cube in just, I think, 10 minutes. You're going to start. Well, have a great show.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for coming by. Dames en heren, Train.
Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Q is good for you.